In the Rewood Brick project, the journey begins with something as simple as sawdust. First, the sawdust is carefully soaked and treated, then pressed and left to dry. Once ready, it's mixed into the concrete blend to form a lighter, more sustainable brick. After the bricks are molded and cured, they undergo testing. With a compressive strength of 7 megapascals and a heat insulation improvement of 10%, these bricks are both strong and efficient. Finally, we tested it in a real-world home under 400 square meters. With 24.6% lower density and improved energy efficiency, families benefit from lower energy costs and a more sustainable lifestyle. Faster construction means families no longer wait 15 to 20 years for housing. Rewood Brick delivers affordable, efficient housing designed for the future.